Jefferson, you've never been to the ionosphere. Even without taking on Jen's power, an influx of energy that great could be enough to kill you.
Dad, if you go up there and something happens to you, we can't help you.
I have to get those particles down before they dissipate, and we lose her.
Even if she is still alive, and you were able to withstand the full weight of Jen's energy, we would still have to reconstitute her by turning her energy back into matter. And that's something, at least as far as I know, that's never been done. We would probably need a hadron particle condenser to do it.
Okay, where do we get one of those?
It's not something you just pick up at the store, Jeff.
Star Labs in Central City has them. But you can never get it here in time.
Central City. I have a friend there who might be able to help. He'll get it here in a flash.
Careful. There's only a handful of these in the world.
Nice to have powerful friends.
Especially super fast ones.
Okay, so how are we looking?
We're all set. But it won't matter unless you can contain Jen's energy.
Oh, well.
Jeff, I could go down the long list of reasons why you shouldn't do this.
Dad, just come back, okay?
You're gonna be needing this.
Go get our baby.